In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to our hearts, heart health. Specifically, we're going to discuss 7 heart-healthy oils that can help lower high blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attack. First on our list is olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels, which is a risk factor for heart disease. It also contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Next up is avocado oil. Avocado oil is another great source of monounsaturated fats, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attack. It's also a great source of antioxidants, making it an ideal choice for heart health. Third on our list is coconut oil. Although it's high in saturated fats, studies have shown that coconut oil can help raise good cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. It's also rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which can help lower blood pressure. Fourth on our list is flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid that can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attack. It's also a great source of antioxidants. Fifth on our list is fish oil. Fish oil is perhaps the best source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart function. Sixth on our list is walnut oil. Walnut oil is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, just like flaxseed oil, making it a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. It's also a great source of antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation. Last but not least is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is rich in polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's also a great source of antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve overall heart health. So there you have it, 7 heart-healthy oils that can help lower high blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attack. Incorporating these oils into your daily diet can be a great way to promote overall heart health.